Is Monkey on the steam train? Where is Milkshake Monkey?
Here I am at Alpaca Annie's on Romney Marsh. I've come to meet my friend Rowan. We're going to go and see the alpacas out in the field, eating the grass, maybe having a little bit of water.
Monkey, an alpaca's having a baby.
An alpaca's having a baby? Wow! I never expected to see that. Hey, let's go!
Look, over there, Monkey.
Oh, yes, I can see. Oh, Rowan, can you see the baby? Oh, look. His mummy's giving him a lick. Wonder how long it takes him to stand up. Looks like they're taking him inside to keep him warm. I'm going to go and see. The baby and his mummy have come into the barn so they can stay warm and dry while they recover. The rest of the family have come to visit. Isn't that nice? He's got such long legs. Oh, he's wobbling. Oh, he's over. Oh, he doesn't give up, does he, this baby alpaca? Come on, you can do it this time. Yes. Yes. Yay! You did it! Well done. Oh, yes, he's on his 4 legs. Oh, good for you. You'll be out in the field in no time. Oh, well done, baby. And well done, Mum. Oh, yes. The baby's really enjoying having his mummy's milk. That's going to make him feel nice and strong and ready to run around the fields with all the other alpacas. I should think Mum feels quite hungry too. I wonder what alpacas like to eat as a special treat. I think she deserves one. No. There you go. Oh, yes, you like carrots. Here, have some more. Oh, well done. What a good job you've done today. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Monkey, 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 monkey.